This video covers the line stack column chart, and in the end, the line cluster column chart. We choose same result set and same columns and aggregation in both Power BI and DIMS. In this video, you can see better the logic Power BI employs when displaying labels, which is if the shape cannot fit the text of the data label, then that data label is not shown. We started by charting columns, after which we move one column from columns to line, meaning its representation changed from a bar to a series of points connected by a line. In case there's only one point, then we have a circle. You might notice that the circle in DIMS is not centered compared with Power BI, but the points belonging to the line are centered to the bars in both applications. This is because I haven't addressed that part of code. Every time I'm working to the application, I am trying to come with enough proof of concept, and I believe that missing that point center is not affecting what this proof of concept was trying to show, which is charting data in both applications. After this, we group the data by another column and show how the information is charted in those conditions. I am pretty sure that if we have chosen a legend in Power BI, it could have worked, but since I haven't tested that in my application, I haven't tried to pivot the group data to see the outcome in both applications. We added also data labels for our chart, and now it's obvious that Power BI has logic which decides based on the shape and its neighbors how it will be displayed, horizontally, vertically, not at all, and so on. Last was to change the chart type from line and stack column chart to line and cluster column chart to see the outcome. I haven't tried to use as axis and numeric column to see how the logic I have wrote up to this point for these chart types will behave, but I believe it should work, as is working when the column used for x-axis is a string type. Although not shown in the video, some code had to be written to allow a smooth transition from these two types of charts to any other type of charts, and this is because the place where I am adding the columns for line charts needs to be ignored when chart type is changed. Also not shown or hard to spot in this video is the fact that for clustered column chart, I fixed that overlapping of shapes using a workaround rather than rewriting the code I am using to chart that type of chart. Next post most probably will cover the copy-paste of all the code written for the past month from charts control to single chart control, meaning stack area, waterfall chart, scatter chart, line chart, and stacked, clustered chart, data labels, and everything else shown for the past 4 weeks will be available also when we want to chart data in single chart.